Hello, and welcome to the very first Be Beautiful Jewelry tutorial. Today, we'll be making a beautiful pair of earrings. And without further ado, let's get started. To begin, you'll need clear UV resin, 2 complementing colors. I'm using a solid and a shimmering chameleon effect pigment, a UV lamp, a mini torch or heating gun, a stirring stick or spoons, and your corresponding molds. Alright, let's move that to the side and mix up our resin and pigments. I'm using 3 drops of each. Be sure to mix it up real good. And there are thoroughly mixed cups. And be sure to use your torch or your heat gun in order to clear out any bubbles. You can alternatively use the fire in the molds, but I just prefer to do it before I pour. This one will be the top mold, and because it's so clear, I can fill it completely up, whereas these two, I fill up just a little bit. And I'm going to layer them so that I ensure that each of them are hardened evenly. Each cure lasts 60 seconds. And as it says on screen, I'm just checking to see if my resin is actually hard and it's smooth. If it's not, I just hit it again with the UV lamp for another 60 seconds. And remember, just pour a little bit and make sure that it completely fills the mold. And this time, I let it run for the 99 seconds. of them one last time. And finally, the demolding. I also like to hit the top of the mold as well, just to make sure everything's secured clean. Here are the pieces I'll be using. And this is where that optional multi-purpose glue comes in. Because I'm using an opaque color, I do fear that the UV light won't hit the bottom, so I just use the multi-purpose glue to put my pieces onto the jewelry. Let them dry, and I will be using a pair of flat nose as well as round nose pliers. And do forgive me, I didn't realize till after I recorded everything that I was completely out of frame while attaching the jewelry pieces together. But don't worry, my next video I'll be sure to show you exactly how to put the pieces on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for coming to the end of the video. And please feel free to like, subscribe, and follow me on any of my other social media platforms for more jewelry and jewelry tutorials.